Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a cute but effective way to help organize your life, this clipboard folio from Ospelelf has helped me tremendously. This folio has so many awesome features to it. It first and foremost immediately draws your attention because of the beautiful design on the outside, but the functionality makes it even more impressive. It's extremely durable with a front and back cover, which are both very hard covers. I also love the added gold touch on the corners, which helps to protect them from bending. I love the file folders on the inside. This helps me to store all my important documents that I need right in one place, so I don't have to search around the house, but it's nicely organized enough that I know which tab to go to, whether I'm looking for my recipes for the week or the bills I need to pay. I appreciated that it came with an extra notepad in the back. This gives me the perfect space to just write down things on my to-do list or things that are in my head so I don't forget to do it later. One thing I really loved specifically about this folio is that it was spiral bound. This makes it really extremely easy for me to flip through it, fold it, and manipulate it to use it in whatever capacity I need to, whether that's at home or on the go. So if you're looking for a great, cute, functional folio to help you stay organized, whether at work or at home, I have really loved this one. But that's just my point of view.